We have 2006 Acura TSX. Customer came in, they replaced the radio. Since then, his radio doesn't work. So this, back obviously, and he entered the code. He has the factory code. He entered that. 9654 is the code for the radio. That doesn't work. So it keeps giving him an error. And sometimes, so even though he has the factory code card, it doesn't work. So we're gonna find out why. Sometimes if they change out the radio at some point, of course that code doesn't match. So we're gonna find out why it's not taking the code, because it keeps giving him an error, and you only have so many trials. After that it locks up, then you gotta wait about 3 hours to reset. So first thing you're gonna do is remove that hazard switch, and that one, let's shut off the car. So disconnect that, and there's a reason we are disconnecting is there is a screw right there, and if you have airbag indication, can we close the door? When there is an airbag indication, and if you disconnect this, sometimes the SRS light comes on, so you may have to reset it. We do have a machine to reset it, so we don't care. But if you don't want to deal with it, be sure to take the key out, disconnect the battery, and that will prevent from SRS light to come on. And second step, once you remove that, pry out this silver trim on the driver's side and another one on the passenger side. This long one also comes out. The reason we are taking those silver trims out is because, as you can see, they are Phillips screws right there. So we're going to take the radio out. So now, alright, so after you remove these two screws here, you're going to open up this glove right there pocket, and you're going to pop that out like this. The reason we are taking that out is on the part of this radio, there should be two 8 mils. Alright, let me see if I can show you guys somehow. Let's see. So, inside there are two 8 mils. It's hard to show because the phone doesn't fit in right. But two 8 mils. Send that. Okay, it's right at this fingertip. There is 8 mil right there. So we got two 8 mils out, two screws from the side, and we should be able to get this whole thing out like that. As I said, the reason we are taking this out is because the radio at one point probably got replaced. So the serial number I have, it is the correct serial number, so we're going to take the radio out and reset it manually and re-enter the code. Alright, so let's see if it can reset the code. How do we shut off the heat? Okay. Alright, so okay. The radio. Alright. Okay, so it says 3. So what's the code again? 9654. Maybe this is the one. 34144. Let's see.
But it should be 4.
3, 4.
No?
I don't know. One, 4. No. So it says arrow. So 9654. Oh, but there's no 9. There is no 9. Go to Google's website, punch in Acura radio code, and you're gonna go to find your radio code. Tells you how to do it. Visit website right here. Was 2015, so 2013 or newer. Radio code, or you can get both of them. Enter your serial number of the radio on the back of the radio. Then you submit. Then you get the code. Turned out the code that he has is the correct one. And what happened was, if you try for so many times, it locks up, and you gotta wait about 3 hours to reset, or disconnect the entire system and start all over. So using the tuning knob, it changes the number. So you enter it's a 5-digit number, not the 4-digit. There are 2 codes on the card that shows the 5-digit number. That's for the radio. 4-digit, I think that's for the navigation. So you may have to enter both of them if you're asking for the navigation code as well. So first thing you're gonna do is turn the radio on, then it's gonna say code, and you turn the knob left to right to choose the number, then push in to go to the next number and so on. And once you enter the all 5-digit numbers, then radio will come on like that. So that's what we had to do, enter the code and reset it. Initially it was locked up because he tried so many times. So if you have to do that, you can either disconnect the battery or you can disconnect the radio like what we did. But we took the radio out thinking maybe he's got the wrong security code, but he did have the right code. We just had to reset. Okay.
No need.
Now you gotta close this cover. Let's make sure the radio still works.